Hi guys, fundamental people speaking. Back again to teach you guys. As always, you gotta learn every day. You gotta learn each day. Okay, I will start with scalpers, right? Meaning 15 minutes chart, technical analysis, right? I'm just gonna start here. Okay, I will start somewhere here. Remember, you have to set the PAYAPA. Yes, you have to set it. Why? Because we only need the overbought and the oversold levels on it, right? Again, there is no, you can even just set one moving average because we are not into it. We know what you are here for. We are here for oversold and overbought levels, right? So now as we speak, I'm gonna teach you, right? This is USDJPY. The other day I told you to sell it and hold it, right? If you can check, what did I tell you? We wait for the market to be overbought to sell, right? If you check this, the market is what? The market is overbought, right? Then you have to wait. Remember, the market started to be overbought somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. And again, here it was also overbought. Here it was also overbought, right? It started to be overbought somewhere around here. It was overbought. It touched the 994, 93, 990 levels, right? So you have to wait for a rejection to occur. If you can check, this candle right here is a rejection, right? Why do I say that it's a rejection? Because it went up fast and then ended with a small pin bar, right? After that, the upcoming candle was was red, right? And it shifted the zone away from the rejection. Same time, it went down fast, right? After that, it rejected again. What does that mean? It means that this candle up here was our high of the day, right? Meaning that if this candle here is our high of the, to show that the candle is our high of the day, it will be at the top, right? And it will go up, reject, and then the other candle should move away from that candle immediately. And it moved away from that candle immediately. From there, you can just take a sell without fear, and then you put a stop loss at least 10 pips above this candle, right? And then from there, after taking a sell, you have to wait. Take a sell, can take a sell with at least 0.1 lot, 0.2, 0.3, and then you wait. As long as you're sure that this candle is the high of the day. How to be sure? After the market has rejected, it has to run away from that rejection zone and then start to reject again, and then you sell, right? After selling, you hold until the previous support or the previous resistance, meaning that you hold until the previous rejection, right? If there is a nearest rejection around you, you can just take profit around there. If you can check, this is the nearest rejection. If you're scalping, you take profit right there and then you get out, right? Again, if you're not a scalper, you're a swing trader, you just hold because you know that this is the high of the day. The market won't come here. You hold and then boom, you're still in profit even now, right? I'm out, guys. I'm out on this one. I'm out on USDJPY. I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? This video is for 15 minutes chat. It's overbought, as you can all see. There's the rejection. There's the shifting of the zone. You take the trade. Boom. Even now, you're still in profit if you are a holder, right? I'm out. It's simple, guys. It's simple. You don't just take a trade anywhere. You take a trade where the market is overbought and where the market is oversold. It's very simple. Very simple. Now let me go to another pair, which is Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP. Remember, this happens on any pair, any forex pair, even Nasdaq 100, even any forex pair, right? The strategy is too powerful. Any forex pair. Why did I make this strategy? To make it simple, because people don't understand the old M and W strategies, the rejection strategy. It confused them. So that's why I made this one. This one is too easy for a person to trade. It's too easy. Like right now, if you can check Euro GBP, right? The market was overbought, right? It started to be overbought. Remember, for the market to be overbought, it has to touch the levels. You can even make it 90, 92, 91, 92, 93, 94. As you can all see, it's overbought. It touched all the levels, and then from there, after touching all the levels, it rejected, right? Shifted the zone, and then you can sell here. It's reasonable for a sell, and then put stop loss at least 10 pips away from this, and then you hold. It's reasonable, right? Or you can just wait for the market to come back again, and then it didn't reject this time. It just went up and then came back at the same time. It made what we call railroad tracks, two candles that are opposite to each other, and they are equal in size, right? Then you know that it's time for reversal. Then you take a sell trade somewhere around here, knowing that the market went up, came back same time. It can't go back again after this rejection happened, meaning that this is our high of the day. You can take a trade right here, and then you hold for the whole day. If you can all check, we were in profit. We made profit yesterday, right? Again, we can just try to find another overbought or oversold level. This was the oversold level, right? Let's check what happened. You see, the same shit again, same shit again. The market went down, rejected. This is the first leg of the M, shifted the zone, came back again, rejected second leg of the M. After you see this rejection, the second rejection, you buy without fear, because first rejection is valid. You can take a buy, right, and put stop loss 10 pips below the first rejection. But the second rejection is 100% accurate. It's always 100% accurate. You can even buy with 10 lots. It's always 100% accurate after the market shifted. You see, the market shifted this rejection zone area, and then you take a buy here with 10 lot or with 0.005, any amount that you like, and then you hold. It's simple, right? Simple. Checking all the overbought and oversold level, it's the same thing again. Same thing. If you can check this one, same thing. Let me zoom, you'll see. Same thing, you see? Same thing. Rejected, shifted the zone away from rejections, and then you sell. You can sell here, you can sell here. It's reasonable. As long as you don't see too much loss, it's reasonable. Again, another one here just near me. You can see. You see, rejection, shifted the zone, and then you take a buy. I like it when the PAYAPA is unzoomed, because it's more accurate. Even when it's zoomed, you can check. As long as you see rejections, you can take it to the buy. I like it when it's unzoomed. Peace, guys. I don't want to make the video too long. You better understand this one. Peace, guys. Peace. To set this moving averages here, there's a video about that. I'm not gonna do another one. I'll just forward that one. Peace, guys.